I'm 22 years old, and what I usually like in a girl, first, the girl has a nice smile, and we have a nice conversation, of course. It should be like, I like simple girls, you know? I don't like girl when they talk just about herself and very selfish. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so let's start. First step.
First, show me a talent that's uniquely yours.
So parang ang gusto niya, do something na makaka-amuse or makaka-smile talaga sa kanya. Who do you want to start? Bella, Jana, or Nina?
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay, you go first.
Confident.
Pwedeng dyan, pwedeng sa taas.
Ayan na.
Oh, ay, naka-mic pala.
I'm gonna teach you a dance step by a famous dancer in the Philippines, Rochelle Pangilinan. Do you know her?
No.
Okay, I'll teach you the spaghetti, okay?
Talent.
Alright!
Ay, oh, yan na, nag-spaghetti dansa. Okay. Okay, next. Jana, meron kayo 30 seconds para magpakita ng something na magpapasmile sa kanya.
Kakahiya.
Ay, ayan.
Mag-explain talaga. Dahil I'm good at singing, I'm gonna dance. Okay.
Ay, naku, malaglag ka ha.
Aba, na-carried away na, honey, si Hideo. Nakita mo, sumabay na sa sayaw.
Oo, okay, thank you. Ay, next, Nina! Nina, kataka!
Pakyat.
Diyos ko, si Nina, para lang ilitsa lang parang bola.
Mahilig ako mag-drawing sa katawan. Pwede kitang i-drawing?
Pwede dito?
But that's a permanent marker. So,
Huwag kang tumawa. Seryoso ako.
Ang ginagawa niya. Ano kaya ibig sabihin niya?
Love.
Love!
Love.
Yan.
Love ni Mr. Love ni Mrs. Diba?
ano ba yan? Baka naman nag-love letter ka na sa kanya, Nina. So, alright.
Kalahatin love.
Okay, thank you, Nina.
Thank you.
Ay, okay, tatay. Next.
Okay, honey, para na yung step 2. Ano gusto mo ma-discover sa kanila?
I have a challenge for you girls.
Okay.
Well, the challenge is the girls who got more points in the pedometer challenge is win in 30 seconds.
Nasaan yun?
Ito yun, honey. Ito,
Okay.
Han, may counter siya. Pag nag-shake sila, nagkaka-counter. So, paramihan daw sila ng counter.
Okay, saan to susunod?
Okay? Kahit saan. Pwede
Oh, okay.
hawakan.
Bella, you go first. Okay, timer starts. Now, basta galaw ka lang ng galaw in a major way.
30 seconds. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Basta pala yun para
Come on.
kailangan kiti-kiti ka lang talaga. Work out in a major way.
Four, three, two, one.
Okay. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
No, 100.
Ay, 102. Sorry naman. Pasensya naman. 102 kanina. Okay, go. Cardio exercise. Come on. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Ay,
Marlaw tuloy ito.
Come on, you have to beat 102. 4, 3, come on, shake it, come on, shake. That's it, honey. Huwag mong galawin.
65.
Wow, 65.
Okay,
Mas
Nina.
mabilis yung isa.
Ayan, okay.
Okay, ready?
Set,
And
go!
go! Come on.
Pero back version. It's a back version.
You have to beat 102. Come on, shake it.
Ano ba yung
Shake it, ikot.
Ikot. Sabi ko lang na ganyan. Canada! 94.
Oh, so
94. So, ang nagwagi sa
Oh,
round na to,
96.
si Bella. Si Bella na na yung 102. So, ibig sabihin nun, pwede mo siyang i-kiss. Ganun talaga yun.
Sige, pwede mo na ka-i-kiss.
Tatay.
Okay, honey, dahil pinagkakaguluhan si Hideo, aba, dapat girls will do anything para makuha nila ang puso ni Hideo. Okay, so ito na yung pinaka-last test para sa ating mga girls, okay?
Actually, I wanna know what makes you happy.
I think I'm happiest when I'm with my family. So, if we'll go on a date, I'll take you to a place with my family and we can have dinner so you can feel happy with me. Yun ang answer ko. Thank you so much. Did you hear it?
Okay. Next.
Okay,
Jana.
so mapapalaban ako sa English. What makes me happy? My family. They're my inspiration towards work and everything I do. So, as simple as that, my family.
Okay. Nina, your turn.
Hello! Pag nakikita kong masaya ang family ko, yun lang, pinakamasaya na.
Halika, lapit tayo dito.
Pare, sino pipili mo sa kanila? Okay.
I choose Bella.
Wow! At dahil kayo ay hindi napili, meron kayong remembrance from our show.
Okay, thank you, Jana and Nina. Mamaya may showdown pa ang dalawa nating pairs, honey. Okay? Kaya wag po kayong alis. Babalik ang love ni Mister. Love ni Mister.
The cute na pairs. Si Hideo and Bella. At si Gwen at Ian. Ayan na. Meron pa kaming one challenge for you guys. Ang gagawin ninyo ay ipipiggy back ride ninyo yung mga girls. And then, mag-race lang kayo. Iikutin nyo lang to. Paunahan lang kayo na makabalik dito. First to reach the starting point.
Nalo pa rin sina Ian
And
and Gwen.
Gwen.
At mukhang umahabol naman sa Hideo.
Oo eh.
Pero na-maintain po ni Ian ang kanyang speed at malapit na po sila sa finish line. Ito na malapit na po sa finish line si Ian at ang manalo ni Ian. At si Ian po ang nanalo and Gwen!
Congratulations kay Ian at kay Gwen. Oo, kasi naman tati nanggaling ng Survivor eh. Anyway, nang dahil dyan, thank you so much. This is for Bella.
Bella.
Okay, this is for you. Thank you so much for guesting.
Hideo.
Hideo, this is for you. Our simple remembrance. And this is like your third? Your third. Thank you so much. And also, ayan, kay Ian. Thank you guys for guesting. Thank you.
At syempre, merong kasama nito yung
Of
winner.
course, yung winner natin. Thank you again, guys, for guessing. Nakapagpagilig na talaga ito, tatay. Tatay, nakakilig yung episode natin this morning, ha? Sobrang kinilig talaga ako kay
Oo naman.
si Hideo.
Oo.
Kinilig ako sa kanya,
Oh,
eh.
kinilig ako kay Gwen, honey.
O, di, patas lang tayo, di ba?
Oo. Kaya naman, that's what I love most about you today. Hindi ka nagagalit.
Oo nga. Hindi na. Kasi na,
Alam mong, siyempre, na-appreciate mo lang naman yun eh.
Oo.
Wala ka namang hinihinging cellphone number.
yun din naman ang love ko sa'yo, tatay, kasi ano naman eh, I'm very open to you kung sino yung crush mo, kung kanino ka nagagapungan, kung kanino ka nagagalingan, kasi alam mo naman na hanggang doon lang naman yun, di ba? Kasi matakot ka na kung hindi ko sinasabi sa'yo.
Ganun ba yun?
I think so. Kasi di ba parang hindi tayo friends?
Okay.
Alright, anyway, thank you so much to Zorb, Waterball, Jojo Enterprises, Enchanted Kingdom. Maraming salamat din sa Ace Water Spa for having us here. Located at 399 Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City. For inquiries, please call 367-8041 and 367-8062. Sa ACR Furniture, sa SM Homeworld, sa Poison, sa Teka Kitchen, sa Regalong Pambahay, sa New York Landed Echelon, sa Island Road. For inquiries, please call 816-3091. Okay, maraming salamat sa lahat mga nanood, mga bisita, mga nisi. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ng bonggang-bongga sa aming episode today.
Okay, kaya naman bukas ay magkikita-kita ulit tayo.